Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening, call everyone. Call everyone. Good evening. Everyone call. Everyone call. Please call everyone. So can we start now? Can we start? Yeah, let's start now. Yeah, let's start now. So can you say to me, what is the date of today? What is today's date? What is the date today? Four. Yeah, 4/9. So most of the things you know, most of the things yesterday we done, most of the things you know very well. Right. Fine. Yeah. So now let's start. Let's start now. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Let's start now. One time say everyone good evening. One time say everyone good evening. One time say everyone good evening. Everyone say good evening one time. Everyone say good evening one time. Yeah, before going to start, if anyone didn't like the video, please like it. If anyone didn't like the video, please like it. Please like. If anyone didn't like, please like the video so that people will get notifications, so people may join. Yeah, now let's start. Now I think everything is ready. Everything is ready. This is the starting of the today's class. This is the starting of the today's class. This is the starting of the today's class. Right? Everyone observe. Everyone observe now. First question I want to ask you. First question I want to ask you. See this. Class A. Class A. Network, right? So class A total 32 bits. How many bits for network? Class A. How many bits for network? Class A. How many bits for network? Right? I think a network everyone know. Network is 8 bits. Host is 24 bits. Class A network is 8 bits, host is 24 bits, everyone know. Can you help with the 24 bits of host? How many hosts possible? 2 power 24 minus 2. The number of hosts possible, one class A network is 2 power 24 minus 2. Can you help me now? How many networks possible? 1 bit fixed. 1 bit fixed. 1 bit fixed. Can you help me now? So how many? I think 2 power 7. 2 power 7. Now let me check once. In the 2 power 7, everyone observe this one. In 2 power 7, 0 is there, 1 there, 2 there, and so on. What is the last number? 127. Am I right? Class A network, network number 0, network number 1, network number 2, network number 3, and so on. Network number 127. Right? Totally 127 networks are there. 0 to 127, totally 128 networks are there. 2 power 24 minus 2. These many hosts are there. These many hosts are there. These many networks are there. Do you have any doubt till now? Do you have any doubt till now? One important point is coming. Do you have any doubt till now? Class A network is 8 bits, host is 24. 2 power 24 minus 2 hosts are there for one network, that's okay. But number of networks, if you see, network 0, network 1, network 2, and so on. Network 127. Network 127. Remember everyone remember. Right? In the network, listen, in the network number 0, network number 127, this 0 is special address. This 127 also special address. 0 is special, 127 also special. So remember, in the class A, network 0, network 127, they are also special people. So the things actually we can use it. These two people, 1 to 126. 0 to 127. See, these all are IPs. For host purpose, you can use 1 to 126 only. From today onwards, if anyone asks you, in the class A, total networks how many? 0 to 127, 128. How many usable for the user? Right? 126. 1 to 126. Which is 1 to 126. Which is 120. How many? 0 to 127, 128. 1 to 126 is 126. From now onwards, please remember. Right? So if anyone asks you class A network, total IPs how many? 1 bit fixed. So 2 power 7 in the network part. 2 power 7 in the network part. Right? 2 power 24 in the host part. So totally 2 power 31. These many IPs possible. These many IP addresses possible. They are IPs. They are using for some purpose. But you cannot give user purpose, right? In the class A network 0. Network 0 you cannot use for host purpose. Network 127 also you cannot use for host purpose. These many IPs are possible. If anyone asks you how many networks in the class A for the host purpose, what is the answer? 126 networks. 1 to 126. How many for host purpose? 2 power 24. Right? How many hosts? 2 power 24 minus 2. Right? Remember one more important thing. Host part every time minus 2. But network part only for class A minus 2. Network part -2 only for class A. For other classes, you no need to do anything. Sir, what is 0 and 127 used for? They mentioned for some other purpose. You will get to know. You will get to know all the details. Remember in the class A, total 128 network, 2 networks are for special purpose. They will come after some point of time. They will come after some point of time. So please be careful. If I say now also, some confusion will come. If I say now also, some confusion will come. Right? Remember, only in the class A, network also -2, host also -2. But total IPs are 2 power 31. Total IPs are 2 power 31, no change. But in those IPs, some IPs you cannot use for the purpose of host. Right? So can I move to next? Can I move to next? The new point in today's class. The new point in the today's class. In the class A network 0, network 127, you cannot give for a host purpose. That is the new point in today's class. Right? In other classes, there is no -2. Host part everywhere -2. Host part everywhere -2. Remember, host part everywhere -2. Only for class A, 0 and 127 will be removed. Remaining will be for the purpose of user's purpose. Now, can you help me now? Can you help me now? Which companies will go for class A network? Which companies will go for class A network? Suppose one of the organization want IPs. They want A class. What is the reason? Company is a small company or big company? There is one organization, they want IP addresses. They want class A. Is it a big company or small company? Big companies. What is the reason? 2 power 24 hosts they can manage. For 2 power 24 computers, they can allocate the IP addresses. Larger, right? Larger number of employees. A company which is having more employees, those companies normally used to take this. Right? Next one, a company which is having medium kind of companies, class B. Medium kind of companies, class B. So I will write only for namesake, class B also. Only for namesake, I will write class B. Can you see the class B? Can you see the class B? Network host. Only for namesake. It is, I think, here 16 bits. Here also 16 bits. Out of 16, 2 people are fixed. 2 bits fixed. 2 bits fixed. So which is going to be 2 power 20, 2 power 14. 2 power 14 networks are there. But remember, there is no -2 here. But hosts are always 2 power 16 -2 hosts. Remember, networks, there is no -2. There is no -2. Right? Some people are asking, sir, you are saying that these are special purpose. These 2 networks are for special purpose. Sir, what purpose, sir? This is given the name as, right? They given the name also, local host. This is given as a loopback address. They given the special name also for that. 0, right? Network 0, local host. Network 127, loopback address. Loopback address. So these addresses will be used. 127 will be used for loopback address, which is also called as inter-process communication. Inter-process communication. Inter-process communication. Loopback address, you can say, are inter-process communication purpose. Which is also called self-checking. Which is also called self-checking. Which is also called as self-checking. Loopback address, inter-process communication, self-checking. Can you help me? Listen, Listen, sometimes I used to do like this. Listen, sometimes I used to do like this. Right? Just I want to check I am active or not. Just I want to check I am active or not. Sometimes I used to do like this. I used to do like this. Pain is coming. Pain is coming. Yeah, I am okay. Otherwise, I am dead. Sometimes I used to check myself. Sometimes I used to check myself like this. I will bite myself like this. So if at all pain is coming, yeah, I am okay. If at all pain is coming, I am okay. Same thing here. Same thing here. Some people are asking why no -2, right? Why in the class B there is no -2? There is no address for special purpose. See, names also given in the class A. In the class A, 0, 0. In the class A, 0, network 0. Can anyone help me? Interesting answer. Interesting answer. In the class B, I want answer from everyone. In the class B, what is the starting network number? In the class B, what is the starting network number? 128. There is no 0. In the class B, starting network number is 128. Because starting with 10. There is no 0. There is no 0. There is no 127. It will start with 128. It will start with 128. If 127 is there, I could have said loop back address. I could have said inter-process communication. I could have said self-checking. If 0 is there, I could have said that it is used for local host. There is no 0 in the class B network. In the class B network, there is no network called 0. There is no network called 127. That's the reason there is no -2. That is the reason there is no -2. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? In the class B, host part all zeros possible. In the class B, host part all zeros possible. In the class B, host part all zeros possible, of course. Someone is saying, why no -2 in class A? Already I done -2, right? Already I done -2, right? Sorry for this. -2 I already done. So that is the reason 126 came. That is the reason 126 came. That is the reason I written 2 power 7, 128. I written, but afterwards I removed 2 people. Afterwards I removed 2 people. Right? Someone is saying, why 127? They given the name also, madam. They given the name also. 127 name is loopback address. There is no 127 in the class B. In the class B, any 127. In the class B, 0 network possible. No. 127 is possible. No. From where I will bring? In the class B, 0 not there. 127 not there. From where I will bring? If they are also available in the class B, I will definitely do -2. Can you help me? In the class A host part, all zeros possible? Yes. In the class A host part, all zeros possible? Yes. All ones possible? Yes. So -2. But in the class B host part, all zeros possible, all ones also possible. There also -2. But in the case of network area, all zeros, all ones, no way. What is the reason? All zeros, all ones, no way. The reason is that it is starting with 10. Class B network starting with 10. Class B network starting with 10. Fine? Is it okay? Let me know whether I will shout or not, doesn't matter. Whether I will shout or not doesn't matter. If you have doubt, please ask. In the class B network, first network 128. In the class B network, first network 128. There is no 0. There is no 127. If 127 is there, I will say loop back address here also. I will subtract -1. If 0 is possible, I will say local host. I will subtract one more. But not possible. So remember, other than class A, in other classes, please don't do -2, right? Please don't do -2 in the network area. Host area, everywhere -2, because everywhere all zeros there, everywhere all ones are there. Host part. Now, can you go to the class C? Can you go to class C? In the class C, if you observe, it is a network, it is a host. Network 24, host 8. Right? So 24, I think class C, 3 bits are fixed. 110 fix. 110 fix. So 2 power 21. These many networks are there. Next one, host is as usual. 2 power 8 -2. If anyone say, sir, here also do -2, sir. If anyone say, sir, here also do -2, sir. If anyone say, in the network area, do -2 here. Where is the 0? In the network area, where is the 0 possible? In the network area, where 127 possible? So there is no -2. But host area, always zeros possible, ones also possible. Host area, every time do -2. Can you help now? Small organization follows. Small organizations follow. A, B, C. Which one? Small organizations follow. Small organizations follow. A, B, C. Which one? C. Very less host. Small organizations will go to class C network. Some people are asking, sir, what about D, sir? What about E? Everyone know. In the D, there is no division. In the D, no division. No network part, no host part, no division. In the D, there is no division. In the E also, there is no division. In the E also, there is no division. Can you guess? Can you guess? Total IP addresses, how many possible? In the D, total IP addresses, how many possible? 4 bits are fixed, 2 power 28. In the class B, 4 bits are fixed, 4 bits are fixed, 4 bits fixed are. Srishti, 4 bits are fixed. How 2 power 32? How 2 power 32? 4 bits fixed, na? So 2 power 28. 2 power 28 IP addresses. Here also 4 bits are fixed. Who are those 4 bits? Who are those 4 bits? 1110. Here how many bits are fixed? Here 4 ones are fixed. 2 power, what is the answer? 28 IP addresses. Remember, here there is no division, nothing. There is no division, nothing. Simply say 2 power 28 IP addresses. 2 power 28 IP addresses. Remember everyone. This D class will be used for. Everyone listen. This D class will be used for, right? Make sure everyone, this will be used for multicasting. This is used for, right? 2 power 28 E class people will be used for, right? Something like I can say research organizations. Some research purpose, future purpose, future purpose, something like that. Maybe they will give for governments, they will give for research people, for research organizations, right? Class D for multicasting. Class D for multicasting. Class E for research purpose. Right? See. Let me ask you one small question, everyone. Everyone, let me ask you. Who will assign the addresses? ISP? Who will assign the numbers? Who will assign the IPs? ISP, Internet Service Provider? Some authority is managing, right? All these IP addresses are managed by. All these IP addresses are managed by some organization, ISP. They will allocate. You only say in the phone numbers also, some phone numbers you cannot use, you cannot give for normal people. Right? So normal people you cannot. Something like 110 for some organization. Right? Some special numbers. So these are for research purpose. If anyone is doing the research, if you request one IP, they will give. Suppose isn't that someone is doing some research. You need some IP addresses. You can request the ISP people, they will allocate one of the address from the E class. For research people, any research person want one IP address, right? So that other people cannot use. One of the person who is doing the research, right? So he want one IP for research purpose. So they will ask, they will send the mail to them, right? We are doing some research. We need some, right? We need the one network where IP addresses are there, right? Research purpose and all. They will allocate from E class. Suppose if you say we want some IP addresses for a multicasting purpose. What are the multicasting? Within few minutes I will explain. Multicasting purpose, I want some addresses. If you ask, they will allocate from the D class. ISP people will allocate the addresses according to your requirement. You asked the ISP people, I want more IP addresses for my big organization. It is not a research organization. It's a normal organization only. My organization is very big. Can you allocate? They will say A class you take. If some small, right, some middle company came and asking ISP, I need IP addresses to my company. It is not a research organization. It is a normal only. They will say go for a class B. Small organization, go for a class C. So if you request multicasting purpose, I want one IP address. They will say, right, from the D class they will allocate. Research purpose and the military operations. Military operations also. Some special purpose. These are special. Research organizations, military purpose, right? Some security required. In the military also, there are so many IP addresses are there. You cannot reveal those IP addresses to anyone. Research purpose, military purpose, some special purposes. So please remember these lines also. Please remember these lines also. Yeah, someone is asking what are the multicasting, right? Remember, multicasting means one to many. One to many. That is the meaning of multicasting, right? So I want to send one mail. I want to send one mail from me to 10 more people. I want to send one mail from me to 10 more people. 10 more people, not all people. 10 more people. I want to send one mail to 10 people. That is called multicasting. If some people are asking, sir, one to one, I am sending one mail to one person. That is called unicasting. If I do one to one, I will draw those diagrams also. I will draw those diagram also. See this one. One computer sending to me, right? One computer sending message to one more computer. One more computer. This is called unicasting. One computer is sending, right, message or mail to one more computer. This is called unicasting. One computer is sending to 3 people. Even though many people are there, but it is sending to 3 people. This is called one to many. This is called multicasting. Next one computer is sending all people, all people, all people. This is called broadcasting. All people, broadcasting. So I'm writing here one to all. This is one to many. This is one to one. So these kind of, see this one, to send the mail, one to many, one to many, D class. D class IP addresses are allocated for this. Right. So remember everyone, right? In terms of network, -2 only for class A. Class A, network area -2. Other areas, there is no -2. Host area, everywhere -2. Host area, everywhere -2. Host area, everywhere -2. But in the case of the D and E, no division, nothing. Just remember only these points. 2 power 28 IP addresses, right? D will be used for multicasting. So E contain 2 power 28 IP addresses. It will be used for research purpose, military operations purpose, means some security. See, secure IP addresses I cannot give to everyone. These IP addresses are designed for security purpose. Right? Fine. Someone is saying full course. Yeah, fine. Can we go ahead? Class A, B, C for unicasting. Yeah, unicasting and broadcasting. Broadcasting also. Right? Broadcasting also. See this one. This is only for, see, this is only for multicasting. See this one. This row. D class is for multicasting. Right? D is for multicasting. So remaining, right? A, B, C for unicasting also, broadcasting also. Unicasting also, broadcasting also. Right, perfect. Now, because of your little bit okay, listen, because of your little bit okay, now observe, everyone observe, carefully. I mean total CN on YouTube. No, bhaiya, today is the last class. Today is the last class on YouTube. Today is the last class on YouTube. CN, right? CN, right? Today is the last class on YouTube. Right? These are only for promotional purpose. These are only for promotional purpose. Only 3 classes, as I promised. 3 classes on the YouTube, so 3 classes. Right? Fine. Perfect. Now come here. Everyone observe. Everyone observe here. Everyone observe. Yeah, can you help me now? Left side is which class? Left side is which class? I want answer from everyone. Left side is which class? Make it fast. Left side is which class? 200 means class C. Class C means network part how many bits? Class C means network part how many bits? When you say class C, network part how many bits? 24. Network part is 24. Host part is 8. Network part is 24. Host part is 8. If you want, you can verify. See this one. Host part all zeros. Host part all zeros. Can anyone help me? What is the purpose of this IP? In the given IP, host part all zeros. What is the purpose of that IP? In the given IP address, host part is all zeros. What is the purpose of that particular IP? Yeah, network ID. Like surname. Every network having surname. You have surname, I have surname, everyone having surname. So network also having surname. Network also having surname. Please careful. So can you give 1 minute to me? Someone is calling again and again. Just give 1 minute to me. Just give 1 minute. Yeah, fine. So no, someone is keep on calling, almost like 10 times called, right? That is the reason I lifted the phone. Yeah, sorry for inconvenience. Now see this one. See everyone. So this is a class C network. Listen, this is the class C network. It is the network part. It is the network part. It is the host part. See, host part all zeros. Host part all zeros. Everyone know it is the network ID. This is the network ID. Everyone know this. It is like surname. It is the network ID. Now listen, I'm taking one more network. See this one, one more network. You can take anything. You can take anything, no problem at all. Take any class. A class also you can take, B class also, C class also. Any class you take, no objection at all. I am taking some class. I am taking some class. 10. See this one, 10, 0, 0, 0. Yeah, if not 10, let me write one more number. 60. Can anyone help me know which class it is? Can you help me know which class it is? Are you able to hear me? You people are able to hear me or not? You people are able to hear me or not? Yeah, now see this one. So this is class A network. Listen, in the class A network, observe here. In the class A network, observe here. It is a network part. It is a host part. It is a network part. It is a host part. Host part all zeros means net ID. To this network also net ID there. To this network also net ID is there. Every network having net ID. So maybe left side is class C, right side may be class A. They both can be class C also. They both can be class B also. They can be anything. So one network communicating with another network. One network communicating with another network. Right? Maybe Geo network is communicating with Airtel. Anyone can communicate with anyone. There is no objection at all. Now see this one. Whenever you say it is a network ID, definitely inside there are so many computers. Inside there are so many computers are there. Let us assume that inside these are the computers. Inside these are the computers which are there. Some computer. And one more. Every computer means host. Computer means host. Every host having IP also. Every host having host IP. IP also there. Let me give the IP. Everyone listen. Every host. It is the computer C1. It is the computer C2. It is the computer C3. It is the computer C4. It is the computer C5. It is the computer C6. Like that, every computer having some IP address. Every computer having some IP address. Remember, they all are belongs to this network. See the answer. Same network should be there. Right? See this one. This is the host area. Host number may be 7. It is also 200, 70, 90. This is the host area. 2 power 8 minus 2, 256 minus 2. 254 host can be present inside. So it can be 78. So it can be 200, 70, 90, 40. It can be 200, 70, 90, 53. Some numbers. Like that, everyone having. I want to say that everyone having some IP. The only thing is host party changing. The only thing is host party changing. Please careful. Now let me write right side also. Right side also. So many computers are there. So this is computer, some number. The computer may be C8, C9, C10, C11. Right? Every computer having network, right? Every computer having IP address also. So let me keep IP address. This is 60. Listen everyone. Now host area. I think in the class A network host area, 3 octets. You can change anything. 8.5.4. This is 60 common. Everywhere 60 common. 3.4.5. Everywhere 60 common. 60.1.2.3. Next one. This is 60.90.200.40. Yeah, please let me know if anyone having any doubt till now. Please let me know if anyone having any doubt till now. Anyone can connect to anyone. Anyone can connect to anyone. Someone is saying 2 power 24 minus 2 possible, of course. Right? One class A network, 2 power 24 minus 2. Those many hosts you can connect. I taken few people. Right? Fine. I think everything is fine. Now listen. Now listen, everyone. Now listen, everyone. Everyone listen. I'm just saying one important information. See this one? This person, careful, this person want to send data. This person want to send data to this person. Right? C1 want to send data to C10. C1 want to send data to C10. Right? Let us assume, maybe right? So C1 may be Kumar, right? C1 may be Kumar, right? C10 may be Kumari, right? C1 is Kumar, C10 is Kumari, right? I don't know, right? I don't know, something like this, right? So C1 is Kumar, C10 is Kumari. Assume one boy, one girl, they are communicating. One boy, one girl communicating. So this one, right? This person you want to send this message to him. See how he is saying. Listen, see how he is saying. Message is here. So, right? So who is the sender? C1. See this one. Sender IP, source IP, destination IP. He is sending the message, source IP, destination IP. Right? Source IP, destination IP. Right? So sender want to send the message from sender to receiver. So source SIP means source IP. DIP means a destination IP. In the source IP, listen, in the source IP I am writing 200.70.90.7. Right? I think destination is going to be 60.3.4.5. 4.5. Right? The message what you want to send, the message what you want to send, he said, hi babes, something like this. Hi babes. I don't know what the meaning of. Hi babes. My madam used to say to me, hi babes. I don't know what exactly meaning. I really don't know what is the exact meaning of hi babes. My madam used to say to me when I come from outside, my madam used to say to me, hi babes. I used to say, I am not your babe. I am ready, sir. I used to say to her so innocently, I am not hi babes. I am ready, sir. I used to say to her, but she don't listen. She used to say hi babes. Let us assume C1 sent to C10, right, with the message hi babes. But hey, just listen, yeah, listen. Nice topic. I know now everyone will listen. I know this. Now total India will listen. Total India will listen these kind of things. Total India will listen these kind of things. Total India eagerly waiting to listen these only. Until now, some serious things are going on. No one bothered. Until now, some serious things going on. No one bothered. I just written one line. Hi, babes. I really don't know what is the meaning. I have to ask my madam. Madam, you are saying every day, hi, babes. What exactly meaning of this? What exactly meaning? I don't know. Let's see this. So C1 want to send the message to C10. This message he want to send. Now observe everyone. Everyone observe. Listen, everyone observe. C1 want to send to C10. Careful. C1 want to send to C10. Hello, careful. C1 want to send the message to C10. So if you want to send to C10, you have to give C10 IP. in the destination place you have to keep C10, right? C10, whichever is IP there, that IP you have to keep. Then see how the data is going. See everyone, C1 is here. See how data is going. Data is going like this. Listen, data is going like this. Every network, see on two networks are connected by router. It is a router. It is a router. Remember, listen, remember this router having not only this side, this router having this side also. This router having this side also. So many networks may be available. So many networks are available. So whenever your packet is came from C1 to this router, whenever your packet is came from C1 to this router having so many routes. See, this is one route, this is one more route, this is also one more route, route, whatever it is. So this router having so many routes, it will identify, it will do some calculation. This router will do some calculation. This router will do some calculation. According to that calculation, this router got to know your packet should go this path. Right? After doing the calculation, this router got to know your packet should go this path. Your packet should go path. So this packet is going like this. This packet is going like this. After coming to here, again this router, it will also do some calculation. Finally, he got to know it has to go inside because he also having like this. He also having, every router having different paths. Every router having so many paths are there. Here also one network. Maybe here also one more network is there. Here also one more network is there. So he will also do calculation. He got to know this packet should go inside. So after going inside, it will go to here. It will go to here. So you will take the data. Whichever is the C10, that data will be taken. That data will be taken. Now, can anyone help to send the data from one place to another place? In between, so many routers are there. They will find the correct path or not? They will find the correct path. In that path, they will go. Can anyone help Router will go. Router will go wrong path or correct path? Router will send data in the wrong path or correct path? Router will send the data in the wrong path or correct path? Router will send the data in the wrong path or correct path? Right, correct path. It will do some calculation. What it will do, further story you will see. In further classes, you will see that only. Routing algorithms. In one of the chapter, they will come. Routing algorithm. Right, based on the which criteria, they will find out which is the correct path. Right, there are some routing algorithm, they will take care. So whenever your packet is going from your network to another network, in between router will come to the picture. They will guide which path they have to go. They will do some calculation. Based on the calculation, they will forward in the correct way. And one more thing. Sir, first diagram, why only last started changing? Can you help First diagram belongs to which class? First diagram belongs to which class? Class C. Class C means network part is 3 bytes. Host part is 1 byte. This is the host. Host is only changing. Host is 1 byte only. Host only changing. If you see the right side network, network is 1 byte. Host is 3 bytes. Host is 3 bytes. So 3 people can change. 3 people can change. 3 people can change. Three people can change. Now listen. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Please help me. Please help me. If you want to send C1 to C10, sender IP, keep the C1 address. If you want to send the data C1 to C10, C1 to C10. In the sender IP, keep the C1 IP. In the destination IP, keep the C10 IP. This is called unicasting. This is called unicasting. This is called unicasting. 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1. This is called unicasting. Are you getting? This is called unicasting. Now see the interesting answer. Now see the interesting answer. Now see the interesting answer. Please help me. Please help me. Very, very interesting answer. Very, very interesting answer. Can you help me now? What the destination? What the destination network? What the destination network? What is the destination network? 60. Destination network 60. Destination network 60. In the destination, if you see class A, destination is class A. Class A, network part is 1 byte only. Destination, if you see class A network is 1 byte only. Remaining 3 bytes are host purpose. Now see what I am doing. Now see what I am doing. Very, very interesting answer. See this one. So from the C1, I am sending one message. From the C1, I am sending one message to the network. Listen, to the right side network, where network ID is 60, but host party is 3 bytes. Remaining 3 bytes are host purpose. Listen everyone now. Listen everyone now. In the host part, keep all ones. All 255s you keep. In the host part, keep all 255. This is called DBA, direct to broadcast address. Then what happened is 60 dot host area, right? Host area, I kept all ones. This is called direct to broadcast address. Then what happened is, can you see this one? Your packet will go from here. Your packet will go from here. Your router will send correct path. It will go like this. It will go like this. This router also will send correct path. It will go like this. Listen, from here, it will send data to everywhere. Everywhere you will send. For every person you will send. So listen, in one network, all the people you want to send, then please use that network, right? Direct to broadcast address. Right? In the destination network, all the people I want to send. In the destination network, host parties, how many bits are there? Host part make all ones. Destination network, host parties, how many bits? All the people make one. Then it will go from source to destination network, all the people. This is called direct to broadcast address. This is called one to all. This is called one to all. This is called one to all. Are you getting? This is called one to all. From source to destination, all the people. From source to destination, all the people. Simple. In the destination, host area, how many bits find out? I think 3 bytes. All 3 bytes once keep. Destination, host area, how many bits are there? I think 24. Host area is 24 bits. All these 24 people keep one. This is called direct to broadcast address. You are directly going to the destination network. In that network, all the people you are sending. This is called DBA, direct to broadcast address. This is called DBA. Now can you see this? Once again, can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this also? Listen everyone now. Some message. Can you see this? Let us assume that everyone listen. Let us assume right network, one of the person, C10. You want to send right network, one of the person is C10. You want to send see this one. Hello all. You want to send one message, hello all. Can you say what is the C10 IP address? 63.4.5. In the right network, one of the person is C10. Source IP is C10. Source IP is 60.3.4.5. Now listen everyone now. You want to send, C10 want to send hello all message to all the people who are there in that network, not other network. Within the network, you want to send to all the people. Within the network, if you want to send all the people, you write all the people 255. Within the network, all the people, right everyone 225. Then what happened is, from the C10, that message will goes to all the people. See, that message will go to all the people. This is called as LBA, limited broadcast address. This is called LBA, limited broadcast address. What is the meaning? In which network I am, in that network, all the people you want to send. Then there is no host area, there is no network area. Everyone keep 255. Everyone keep within the network. All the people keep all 255. This is called LBA, limited broadcast address. Limited broadcast address. Some people are asking, sir, why? What is the meaning of limited? You are limited to that network only. You are limited to that network only. What is the meaning of direct broadcast address? Directly go to destination. Directly go to destination network. In the destination network, all the people. That is called DBA. In the DBA, network address required. See, it is the network part. In the DBA, right, you have to go to that network. In that network, all the people. So 255s. But here there is no destination. Within the network, all the people. So all 255s. This is called LBA. This is called LBA. So can you help me now? Listen everyone now. In our group, all the people I want to send. In our group, all the people I want to send. Can you help me now? Which one I have to use? In our group, all the people I want to send. Which one? In our group only. LBA. Limited broadcast address. In our group, all the people I want to send. LBA. In other group, all the people. DBA. First go to that group. There send all the people. Go to that group first. Then send all the people. This is called LBA, limited. Why it is called limited is within the group only. Why it is called direct broadcast? See, this is called direct broadcast. This is limited broadcast. Limited. Some limit is there. Limited broadcast. Yeah, I'm thinking you got little bit idea. Now I will give one example. Can everyone help? I'm giving one small thing. Can you help me one small thing? Everyone listen. 88, 23, 46, 92. Please everyone reply. 88, 23, 46, 92. Can anyone help me? Which class? This is which class? Next one. This is which class? Identify yourself. Next one. Next one. What is net ID? Next one. What is the DBA? What is LBA? So listen everyone, listen. Because of it is starting with 88, class A. Class A. Can you help you now? In the class A, you only give answer. In the class A, 1 byte for network, 3 bytes for host. 1 byte for network, 3 bytes for host. Can you say what is the net ID? Host part all zeros. Net ID, host part all zeros. Can you help me now? What is the LBA? Within that network, every person I want to send. Within this network, I want to send to every person. Within this network, I want to send to all the people. So what is the answer? LBA is always same, 255, 255, 255. LBA. LBA means wherever you are, send all people. LBA is always same, 255. Can you say what is the DBA? DBA means very simple, direct broadcast. What is the meaning? In this network, listen, in this network, all the people. In this network means 88. All the people means 255. Host part keep all 255s. Why this is called direct broadcast means directly go to that network. In that all the people. But LBA is wherever you are, right? All 255s. LBA always same. In this network, listen, in the network 88 do broadcast. Network 88 do broadcast. Go to 88. In that do broadcast. LBA always same, no need to do anything. Okay, let's see the one more. One more example, can you see this? One more example, can you see this? 200, 40, 80, 90. Can you say which class? Can you say which class? 200, 40, 80, 90. Can you say which class? It is which class? If anyone having doubt, C class. C class means network area. C class means network area, 3 bytes. 1 byte is host area. Now, what is the net ID? 200, 40, 80. Host part all zeros. What is the direct broadcast address? Go to this network first. Go to this network first. Then all the people, host area keep all ones. Host area keep all ones. But what is the LBA? LBA nothing to do. LBA is always same. Wherever you are in that network, all the people, 255 keep everywhere. LBA is a joke. LBA is a joke. In the DBA, at least some work. In the DBA, what is the work? You have to go to that network. In the DBA, you have to go to that network. Then all the people. But LBA, wherever you are, all people. Wherever you are, all people. Next one. Can you see the 3? Can you see the 3? 150, 40, 90, 60. It is the class B. So 150, 40. Host area, all zeros. Net ID came. Next one. Go to that network first. Yes, I went. Then host area, keep all ones. Direct broadcast. Next one, LBA, all same. LBA, all same. LBA, all same. Check which one is not clear. Let me know. Which one is not clear? Let me know. Broadcast means one to all. Broadcast means one to all. So everyone in the host IPs, listen, in the host IPs, if you observe, right, all zeros you are subtracting every time, all ones also you are subtracting. That is the reason -2. Whatever it may be the network, host area, always you are doing -2. Why? Net ID and DBA. Net ID and DBA. Net ID and DBA. That is the reason you are subtracting. Is it okay? Bhaiya, is it okay? Bhaiya, is it okay? Wait, listen, in which network you are, in that network all people. In which network you are, in that network all people. Which address? Whichever network you are, in that network all people. No need to mention anything. In which network you are, in that network all people. LBA. In which network you are, in that network all people. LBA. In which network you are, in another network all people. DBA. Suppose I am there in some network, I have to go to another network. I am there in one network, I have to go to another network. In another network all the people. DBA. Fine. Fine. Bhaiya, fine. हेलो, अरे बोल दो यार, बोल दो यार. Priyoshi asking what is the difference between LBA, DBA? When you say DBA, you have to go to some other network. You have to go to some other network. In that network, all the people. In the case of LBA, wherever you are, in that all. Wherever you are, in that all. Yeah, maybe. See, Priyoshi, just I am saying DBA, LBA. Whatever you are asking, I am getting. Whatever you are asking, I am getting. What is the DBA? What is the meaning of DBA is, go to whichever network you want, you go. In that network, all. Can you help me now? In the DBA, I want answer from you. In the DBA, listen, whenever someone will say, what is the DBA for this? Take the destination network. Let us assume that it is the destination network. Let us assume that it is the destination network. Let us assume it is the destination network. So that destination network, all the people. See, remember. So Priyoshi, remember. You may be using for some other purpose. Remember one thing, Priyoshi. Network part. Are you concerned anything about network part? No. You bothered about host part. Host part all ones. What is the meaning? Host part all ones. What is the meaning? Host part all ones. What is the meaning? DBA. Host part all ones. Just see host part. See everything all ones. LBA. Fine. Host part all ones. DBA. Everything all ones. LBA. You have to see this one. See host part all zeros. Net ID. Host part all zeros. Net ID. Host part all zeros. Net ID. Similarly, host part all ones. DBA. DBA. Next one. Host part all ones. DBA. Host part all ones. DBA. See everything all ones. Everything all ones. LBA. Everything all ones. LBA. Exactly. In the DBA, we don't touch the network part because you have to go to that network. Is it same network or different network? It doesn't matter. Whatever network ID you will go, I will go there. In the DBA, network part I don't touch because whatever network you will give, I will go there. If you give same network, I will go same. Are you getting? Whatever network you will give, same network, but right, all host. In the host area, all ones. In the DBA, I don't touch the network area. Keep the same network as it is, whatever you have. Whatever you have, keep the same network. In the host area, I'll keep all ones. Fine? Fine? Every network having DBA, every network having net ID. Remember, every network having net ID, every network having DBA. Every network having DBA. This network, what is the DBA? Host part keep all ones. Right? This network, I will give one network to you. I will ask you, this network, what is the DBA? Host part keep all ones. So I am writing. See this one. I am writing. See this one. WXYZ. Assume that this is the host. WXYZ. This is the host. This is the host part. Listen. In the host part, WX, host part keep all zeros. Net ID. Right? Host part keep all ones. DB. Keep all the people 255. LBA. Every network having LB, every network having, right, net ID also, DBA also, LBA also. Fine. Are you comfortable? Now you are okay. Is it okay? Every network having, see, whether you will use or not, whether you don't use or not, do whatever you want. But every network having DBA, every network having net ID, every network having LBA. LBA common for all. LBA nothing is special. LBA nothing special. No need to mention the network ID also. Simply all 255. So wherever you go, all the people it will go. Wherever you are in that network, all the people will go. Right. Okay. I think people got little bit idea. People will got little bit idea. Now see this. Now see this. Now see this. Everyone listen. Now see this. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Can you help me now? LBA address, DBA address. LBA address, DBA address. Will you use these two addresses for a source purpose or destination purpose? LBA and DBA you will use in the message sending source place or destination place. LBA, DBA you will use while sending the message source IP required, destination IP required. While sending the message source IP required, destination IP required. These two special people LBA, DBA will you use in the source place or destination place? Destination only. Source place there is no meaning. See this one. C1 to send everyone. C1 to all. C1 to all. There is no meaning of all to C1. There is no meaning. There is no meaning of reverse. All to C1. There is no meaning. So this is a very important. This note is very important. Remember, LBA and DBA used always for destination address. But not source address. LBA, DBA used always for destination address, but not source address. If you want, you can go to our example. You can check. If you want, you can go to our example. You can check. See our example. See our example. Can you see this? Can you see our example here? Can you see our example here? Can you see our example here? See our example here. See our example here. See this. See everyone. See everyone. Just I am using another color. See everyone here. DBA used as destination IP. LBA used for destination IP. There is no meaning of using source IP. This is the very important one. Many times came in the exam. Many times came in the exam. This is the very important one. This is very important one. Please careful. So very important. Fine. Can I move to next? 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 Yeah. Now see. Can you see this diagram? Can you see this diagram? Everyone listen. Can you see this diagram? Now see, one small thing. One small thing. Can you see everyone? So because of it is a class C, host party is 1 octet. Because of it is a class C, host party is 1 octet. So this may be 7. Right, now listen. Now listen everyone. It is a very, very interesting. You have to see this. You have to see what is going on here. Can you see this? This person, listen, this person want to send a message. Careful. This person want to send a message. Everyone try to understand. I'm saying something here. I'm saying something here. Try to understand. This person want to send a message. See the answer. He's saying hi. He is saying hi. So can you say what is source IP? Can you say what is the source IP? Can everyone type what is the source IP? Please help everyone. What is source IP? 200, 40, 60, 240, 60. Next 150. Is it okay? Source IP is this. C3 IP. Source IP is this. Now see the destination. Now see the destination. Now see the destination. Everyone listen. Now see the destination. See what I'm writing. 200, 40, 60, 255. Can you help me now? Total host part I kept all ones. What will happen? Total host part I kept all ones. What will happen? This is the DBA. This is the DBA. Everyone know. Because total host part I kept all ones. Then what happened? Then what happened? It will go to, listen, it will go to this network. Is it already there in this network? It will go to this network. Is it already there in this network? See, source is already in the same network. Source is already in the same network. So you want to say that, see, go to this network, it is already there. It is already there. In this network, all the people you send. So what I mean to say is, you can use DBA as LBA also. Sir, I want to send some message within the same network. You can do like this also. You can do like this also. Some people are saying, can I do this one using LBA? That is also okay. You can do that also. Let me see this. Same thing I am doing another way. See this one. Same thing. Hi. Same C3 I will keep. But here 255, 255, 255, 255. It will also do same work. It will also do same work. Is it fine? Meaning is same. Meaning is same. Whether you use LBA, whether you use DBA, it's up to you. See the meaning. See the meaning. I can use DBA as LBA. But I cannot use LBA as a DBA. Careful. $150. Yeah, I think if you're comfortable, I can move to next. If you're comfortable, I can move to next. Can I move next? If you're comfortable, can I move next? Can I move next? Priyoshi, can I move next? Right. Right. Now observe. Now observe everyone. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. Just I will say one small part is there. I will say one small part is there. So with that we will stop. Please listen. Please listen. Class A. Please listen. Class A. Class A. Careful everyone. Careful everyone. Class A. Class A. See this. See this. Class A. 8 people network. 24 people host. Class B. 16 people network. 16 people host. Class C. Careful, one more small point coming. One more small point coming. Catch this also. 24 network. 8 host. 8 host. Now listen. Now listen everyone. Listen everyone. Listen everyone. In the network area, keep all ones. In the network area, keep all ones. In the host area, keep all zeros. In the network area, keep all ones. In the host area, keep all zeros. This is called class A net mask. This is called class A net mask. This is called class A net mask. Again, I am doing now. Class B net mask I am writing. Listen. Class B net mask. Very simple. Network area, keep all ones. Network area, keep all ones. Host area, keep all zeros. This is called class B net mask. Net mask. It is something like mask. Mask means hiding. Net mask. Every class having net mask. Class A net mask. Very simple. What is the meaning of net mask? Network part all ones. Host part all zeros. Nothing there. Next one. Can you see the class C? Can you see the class C? Network part all ones. Host part all zeros. This is going to be class C net mask. What is the use? You will get to know. Ready, sir? What is the use of this? You will get to know afterwards. This is the class A net mask. Every class having net mask. Mask means hiding. It is hiding something. It is hiding something. Every class having net mask. Every class having net mask. Every class having net mask. Are you okay? Are you okay? Every class having net mask. Some people are asking, sir, ready, sir, can you give net mask definition? See the net mask definition. See the net mask definition. Net mask is equal to, listen, net mask is equal to, right? Network part, all ones, plus host part, all zeros. That's it. Net mask is equal to network part all ones, host part all zeros. That's it. That's it. See, class D, class E, forget. Arey Devadrita, why you bother about class B, class E? In your state, dharnas are going on. Why don't you participate there? Why you bring the class B? Why you bring the class E? In West Bengal, every day dharna going on. Please go and do dharna remaining time. Remaining time, instead of saying class B, class E, please participate in dharna. In West Bengal, every day dharna going on. Please go and participate there. Why you bring the unnecessary class B, class E? Class B, class E. It is gone. Class B, class E. Only 1 point. Class D for multicasting. Class E for research purpose and emergency, or one more thing is a military purpose. Fine. Work of net mask. Neha madam, just see, there are two people who just married now. Immediately they want kids. How you will get? Neha madam, there are two people who married just now they married. How can you get kids immediately? How can you get kids immediately, madam? Give some time. Neha madam, give some time to them. Don't force them. Just now, I completed the definition now. Just I completed definition. She is asking, what is the use of net mask? What is the use of net mask? Just I started. One line I said net mask. Immediately she is asking, and Priyoshi tagging also. Priyoshi, you could have said to her, you could have said to Neha, definition is just now over. Please give some time so that it will come. You are tagging also. You are just tagging also. Someone is saying, what about Alia Bhatt? Why are you asking me? You can ask in the social media, na? Are you Rupain? You can ask in social media. Why are you asking me? Why are you asking me, man? You can write one post in social media. In Twitter, you can tag her. Na? See the people, just I written net mask, immediately they started. What do they use? Now only you will get. Madam. Yeah, fine, perfect. Yeah, we are stopping now. Yeah, so we are stopping now. Tomorrow we will see. We are stopping now. Tomorrow we will see. We are stopping now. Tomorrow we will see. See, those people who are preparing for 2026 GATE exam or 27. If you are preparing for 26-27, my suggestion is you write GATE CSE also. You can write GATE DA also. If you are preparing for 26-27, you have almost like 1.5 year or 2.5 year. 27 means 2.5 year. 26 means 1.5 year. You can prepare GATE CSE also, GATE DA also. If you are preparing for GATE 2025, if you are preparing, you can join the crash course or you can join the RIC course. So for this purpose, you can join the foundation course. Right, foundation means 2 years course. You can join the 1 year course also. If you join the 2 year course or 1 year course, you will get the 6 more months extra validity. 1 year course or 2 years course, if you join, you will get 6 more months extra validity. Right? Next one. If anyone having any doubt, you can WhatsApp us. We are going to help you. Small doubt also there. You can WhatsApp us. We are going to help you. Yeah. Tomorrow onwards, classes of CN. Tomorrow onwards, classes of CN will be there in exam prep website. Tomorrow onwards, CN classes will be there in exam prep tool website. Thank you so much for attending. See you in tomorrow's class. See you in tomorrow's class. Fine? Fine? Yeah, I think it will be there in the app. I think whatever time you say, I will do that. Please let me know. Can we start? Can we start 6:30? Or can we start 7? You please let me know what the time. Which time you want? 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, whatever you people say. Seven 7, some people are saying. (7:30 to 9:30). Is it okay? But what about dinner? What about dinner? My question got lost. Morning or afternoon? Both. Priyoshi, both the times. Both the times. Morning also, evening also. Tomorrow, no morning. Day after tomorrow onwards, morning also, evening also. Tomorrow, there is no morning because I think the CD little bit left out. Tomorrow, CD little bit left out. Tomorrow, CD will be over. Tomorrow, CD will be over. Right? Day after tomorrow onwards. Morning also, evening also. Morning 6 to 8, evening. Yeah, let's go for evening 7:30 to 9:30. Let's go for evening 7:30 to 9:30. Can we go for that? Evening 7:30 to 9:30. Fine? Fine? Tomorrow there is a topic called subnetting. Tomorrow topic called subnetting. Subnetting going to start. Tomorrow subnetting going to start. Don't miss the class. Somebody is saying 7 to 9:30. Yeah, Neha, you come at 7. We will come at 7:30. Close with some motivational words. Close with some motivational words. Yeah, thank you so much. It was a nice meeting all of you. It's a wonderful to see all of you. Thank you so much. Just get lost. Are Rishabh, just get lost. I am so happy. You are so happy. I miss you. You miss me. Yeah, fine. Perfect then. Bye. Brainless fellow. Chalo. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you.